Hi there, this is Diecast channel, and in this video I'm going to show you this 1957 Chevy Bel Air. A very nice model made in a 1/18 scale by Highway 61. So if you like those American cars, those 50s classics, please don't forget to give me a like, to see this video thoroughly, and to subscribe my channel, and also click the bell for news. So let's unbox this car and take a better look at it. 57 Bel Air. It's pillared. The lines of this car are very nice looking, really. By looking at the front, we can see this new front for 1957 with this very nice looking bumper and grille and trim and all details. A grille, it's actually a grille, it's made of metal with a correct mesh and the logo, GM logo, bow tie, hood ornaments, headlights look very realistic. Windshield wipers and the windshield, that looks fantastic. The top made in white. Those three ornaments at the tip of the fender, fuel injection logo. Really like those lines, look fantastic. As we open this hood, we can see this very nice 283 cubic inch injection system, which looks very nice. And the battery, the hoses, radiator. This engine used to produce 283 horsepower. It was 1 horsepower per cubic inch. Horns and the grille, it's actually a grille, you can see it through. And close the hood, it shuts correctly. As we look at the passenger door, the handle and the lock and this door mode, and as we open it, it opens correctly just like in a real car. We can see the cushion seats, the bench seat for the front. It tilts actually, it's a little hard but it tilts. The glove compartment is actually open, it opens, and this open lid as we can see here. And let's close it. And we look at the dashboard. It looks very nice in gray. And headliner, which is all made in black, and the sun visor. Close the door, and I really like this trim and the quarter panels and this Bel Air logo and this antenna, which is actually a piece of metal. It's in the box. I'm not gonna put it in here, but I have it. Trunk lid and the lights, the logo and the license plate. And as we open the trunk, we can see this very nice trunk, white wall, spare tire, instructions, the antenna and the floor mat and the sides, which are very realistic, really. And the license plate, lights, and rear deck with a speaker, and the driver's door, as we see the mirror, which is in correct proportion, the trim that looks very nice. And as we open it, we can see and take a better look at the interior. See the steering wheel made in gray that steers actually just like in most 1/18 cars. Door panels, interior as a whole, that looks really fantastic. The pedals, the parking brake lever with a handle right there. The lever, the blinkers lever, and the door that closes correctly. Fuel injection logo, wheels and tires that look very nice. And the bottom of the car, as the body and chassis, we can see the mufflers, the brake system, front suspension, which actually works, the rear suspension that works as well, the spin and drive shaft, the engine and tranny, the oil filter, mufflers in the gas tank. This car looks very nice, really. So I really like Highway 61 cars, and from 0 to 10 I'll give it a 10 for sure. Not only because I like Chevy Bel Airs, but because I like Highway 61 models, and this car really deserves a 10. So I'd like to thank you for all likes and views. Let me know what you think about this video, what you think about this car, the cars you'd like to see me showing in my channel, and I'll be glad to show them. And don't forget to subscribe and to give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.